How are the readings on C4?
Right within the margin, Supervisor.
Excellent work. Proceed to the next section. We need perfect structural alignment here. Adjust the jig slightly to the left.
Okay, that looks right. We are good to proceed.
Apply the specialized coating smoothly. We need full coverage here.
Already done. The surface is sealed.
Make sure that bolt is fully tightened. Just another turn. Check the torque.
Watch the clearance on that hose connection.
All right, she's secured. Moving to the next harness.
Bring it down another inch, slowly, clear on the left. Okay, holding steady, ready for the wrench. Hold it right there, clear on the right. Okay, easy down, looks aligned. All right, secure the mounts.
Secure the main harness to the upper bracket.
Confirmed. Moving to the hydraulic lines now.
Lower the front just a bit.
Okay, hold it there.
Torquing the bolts now.
Torque that to 80 foot-pounds. Got it. Checking the lines now.
Watch the clearance on that hose connection.
All right, she's secured. Moving to the next harness.
Slow descent, watch the clearance on the right.
All right, easy, easy. Looks aligned. Go ahead and set it.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the alignment on the transmission side. Now secure the bolts.
Align it with the mount. Got it. Secure the front joint now. Lower it just a little more. Watch the clearance. Got it. Now the wrench. Make sure that's routed tightly along the channel.
Okay. The blue connector goes here, right?
Yes, check the tension on the ties. Make sure that blue line is secured before we move to the next section.
Copy that. The wrench is set to 40.
Okay, easy now. A little lower on your side, Mark. Got it. Looks aligned here. Hold it steady while I secure the clamps. Check the gap tolerance. It's within spec. Go ahead and torque it. A little lower on your side, Ben. Okay, holding steady. Looks aligned here. we need the red wire connected before the blue.
Okay, I'm securing the red now.
How are the levers feeling? Very smooth. The brake pedal has full travel. We are clear for the next station.
I've secured the lower bolts. Good, I'll route the marker light cable next.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side.
Clear on the right, a little more to the center.
Perfect, hold it there.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on the lower edge.
Got it. Just securing the last clip now.
Make sure that harness is fully seated. Got it. Hitting the torque on this last bolt now.
Okay, easy now. Lower it slightly on your side. Got it. Check the seal on the bottom.
Circuit 42 phasing is stable.
Confirm, confirm. Moving to the infotainment diagnostic.
Check the voltage on the infotainment line. Reading steady at 12 volts. Everything within specs here.
From our hands to the road, the new Bluebird represents the pinnacle of safety and quality.
Windshield washer fluid, check. Power steering level is good. And brake fluid topped off.
A testament to American manufacturing, these buses are ready to serve communities nationwide, ensuring...
Keep it coming, easy now. Straighten up a little. All right, hold it right there.